guys, just a little update video, 9163 going on in the garage. Now I've done something, yes, let's have a look what I've done. So this is what I've done. I've bought a flipping Dymag. Yeah, it's a Dymag, can you see that? Dymag. The wheel isn't in A1 condition, but they stopped making these wheels some years ago, and it is in pretty good condition. Admittedly, the original rear wheel is nice and obviously very much matches the bike, but I don't think this Dymag looks too far removed from the standard wheel, and it will allow me to run a 190 tyre. Apparently you can run a 190 on the standard 5.5 inch rim, but I would rather run a 6-inch rim with a 190. I think it gives a better profile to the tyre, and yeah, it looks cool. It's a nice wheel, and I suspect at some point I will go on and get these refurbished, maybe go with a new wheel colour. What else have we got? We've also got, at long last, the forks for the Punisher. They're not in A1 condition, but they are 20 years old. They will definitely do the job. So the Punisher is awaiting some work. I'm going to get on and get that one done. 916 is all ready for use. I've done the belts, and this hopefully will get some use tomorrow, weather permitting. So yeah, really happy with that. Is my light going to work? Yeah, really happy with that. So let's get this rear wheel on and have a look at it. I nearly forgot to say that actually this wheel also is a lot lighter. It is 2.6 kilograms lighter, so that is a great amount really to have as rotational weight. I will also be looking at trying to replace the front at some point, but yeah, it took me quite some time to find that rear one. And I'm probably suspecting it's going to take me quite some time to find a front one. So yeah, let's get it on. Right, there you go, and I think it actually looks very nice on the bike. Don't know what you think, guys. But yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Maybe gold wheels, or maybe just black. I don't know. We'll think about it. So there we go. Nice new Dymag. I need to get this tyre sorted though. I need a new tyre on the back because this one is rather old. It's seen quite a lot of use, and it's gone all shiny and hard. I think it's got a production date on there of 2010. I did find it. Where was it? Yeah, there we go. 0910. Pretty sure that's production date. So yeah, that's 11-year-old tyre that's seen a lot of track use, and yeah, I wouldn't trust that on the road. So I need to get another tyre for it, but it does set it off rather nicely if I don't fall over trying to make this little video clip for you. Yeah, what do you think of that? I really like it. I think it pulls the bike together rather nicely. Yum yum. Right, so I've put the standard wheel back on and going to use it like this for now until I get that tyre changed. But let's listen to the old 916. I don't think you guys have heard it for some time. Let me start it up.